Hey Team Beast, good afternoon. For those of you joining us for the very first time, thank you for clicking on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast, Daddy Beast. This is my first attempt at a cigar box guitar. Hey Team Beast, so yeah, like I just said, I am doing my first attempt at a cigar box guitar. It's a little warm day today that I'm doing this on. It is June 22nd, that's when I'm starting this. I have things on order. Tools, stuff like that. I've ordered the box kit, 9x12 box kit. I ordered the Spiel kit for Poor Man's Guitar, which comes with 3 tuners, 2 lefts and a right. Comes with 3 guitar strings, GDCG, and two blank screw posts. So one for the nut, one for the bridge. And I ordered string ferrules. And I think that's about it. And I got some free stuff from ordering so much. Then I ordered a pool saw from Harbor Freight and a chisel set, wood chisel set. I then went to Home Depot and got a 4-foot poplar, 1x2. So it's actually 3/4 by 1.5. I got and this is in the quality wood or the hobby wood section, and I got a 1.5 by 3.5, no, by 4. Yeah, I got a 5-foot section of poplar and a 4-foot section of 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch of hobby mahogany for the fretboard or fingerboard. I still don't. Oh, and also in the kit I bought in the stuff I bought from CB Giddy, I also got a fret placement template. Got pretty much everything either here or on its way to do my very first cigar box guitar. So yeah, this is a project that'll probably be put out in a couple different videos. Like this one is just prepping the box to be glued up to get to a point to where I can then, when the tools come in, saw the neck joint and all that. But this one right here, oh, the other thing I bought too, I got off of Amazon, was a 6mm drills, spade drills, and drill bits, that is. It came in a pack of 5 for like $6. And abalone shell inlay dots for the fretboard. So yeah, I've got pretty much everything to go. Just waiting on the tools to get here from Harbor Freight. So the next thing I might be getting is box squares, that kind of thing. I don't know. We'll see. But what I did today, and I'll show you the process. I'm going to show you the finished piece, then I'll show you the process I did over there. is I love Haunted Mansion. And this one's not going to be for sale. It's going to be for me. So, but I can offer, if you guys buy this set, this box piece, the 9x12 box, and ship it to me, I can custom print what you want on the box. So like, I like Haunted Mansion. I like the Hatbox Ghost. So I made the template and I created my guitar top. So the guitar top's is printed. These right here are my sound holes, which is just a piece I put over after I collaged these on there. And yeah, so I'm going to cut those out for my sound holes. And just kind of weird, wacky placement. But yeah, that's my collage. I like that box Ghost. I like Haunted Mansion. So I went that route. And that's my top. That's my guitar top. Because this was something new I was doing on my digital printer, my direct-to-garment printer, because I can print on canvases, I can print on fabrics, I can print on t-shirts, I can now print on wood, and I can print on painting canvases. So this is an avenue I went and explored and knocked it out of the park very first try. So, my very first print I did, that was a test, was this right here. And this is on the inside of the box, which I'll show you. So when you look through the sound holes, you'll see basically these two up here. You'll see these two when you look through the sound holes and part of the stretching room pitch. But the back side, which would be the bottom of the guitar, I went ahead, because I love Haunted Mansion, did the stretching portraits. It looks very vintage. The print itself wasn't big enough for the size I blew it up to. So it is a little faded, but it does have, you know, compared to this right here, but it does have that vintage look to it. This is the back of the guitar. So basically, oh, and then the other thing I did is I printed the sides of the box. It is the Damon wallpaper from the Haunted Mansion ride. And so that's going to be the sides of my box. Now, I didn't do the interior because, I just left it the way it is. But the way it's going to sit is pretty much like this. I'll show you. So, the guitar. Come on, get in there. There we go. Once it's all glued down, because that'll happen later, because I'll glue the bottom up, cut out the notch for the neck, and then the bridge will sit probably about right here. The bridge will sit probably about right here. And the sound holes and the strings go right over here, and the fretboard will go probably about right there. A little bit over, not too far. And then I go up to stock. Well, the headstock, that's going to be another fun part. But yeah, so this is the finished product here. Now remember, I said I can now print on box, on wood, with my printer. Is I need to get clear acrylic spray, you know, and spray these down. Spray the outsides down where the images are and all that. But yeah, that's about it. So that'll do it for this one. The Haunted Mansion Hatbox Ghost themed cigar box guitar. I'm thinking about adding a spring resonator in it. But yeah, so the inside, this is what you'll see on the inside, right here. Just a little collage, the grave digger, a Haunted Mansion thing that somebody did and I liked. But because I'm not selling this, and this will be mine, you know, I'm okay. But yeah, so that's what it's going to be. So there you have it. Looks very vintage. I like the wood grain. So some stuff I got to do it. That'll be on another one. When I come back on the next video for this, it'll be you know, sealed up. I'll have the lacquer spray on it, kind of thing, because I'm giving this a few days, you know, in the interim to really cure out from the print. But I like the way it looks. I think it's groovy. Anyhow, that's it for this video. I'm going to take off. I got some fabric I got to cut out. You know, some more masks to do. You know, I got people are still wanting the mask because, you know, this out, it's going to be in the United States for a while. We got to be wearing masks when we go out, especially here in California. It's been brought down by the governor, stating that we need to wear them. So, okay, fine, we'll wear them. We'll continue. I gotta show you that. You don't need to read go to that. That's boring. I'm gonna get to it, so I'll catch you later. So keep wearing the mask. Curve will flatten down. We'll get to go back to some doing the bullshit we used to do. Just in a little bit in a different manner. And stay safe, my friends. Be good. Be kind. Team Beast. All the way.